Hey everybody, it's Christina of Crafty Paws. I'm so excited because I am going to be a guest designer for Scrapping for Less's Flavor of the Month card kits. So I was asked kind of at the end of May. She was releasing the May card kit, which these card kits come at the last, I believe, Saturday. They're released the last Saturday of each month. So she sent me the May card kit. First of all, I have to say that these card kits are really amazing. There's so much in them. You can do these a la carte, like you can buy one monthly card kit, or you can subscribe for 3-month periods, and you can subscribe to just the Double Dip Sunday, which it always includes 4 collections. And each one of those collections features some papers, a sticker sheet, a stamp set, some sequins, and some kind of embellishments, whether it's like little cut-aparts or tags or twine or ribbon. And then you can expand on that for $5 more. You can add the banana split, which is an additional little collection, which has some extra goodies like a coordinating die set and other things. So let's get right into it. Really cute Brutus Monroe, what's it called? Farm Emblems stamp set. So it's got like chicken, locally grown, 100% natural, local food, farm fresh beef, 100% organic product, farm fresh 1.2% milk, farmland, Texas, so I'm a vegetarian, so the beef and the chicken kind of things wouldn't go for me, but my husband only feels like he's eaten when he's had something that used to walk on its own. So this is a perfect stamp set for projects related to my husband and his friends, actually, barbecues, things like that. There's also this really fun color combination of sequins. It's called, and this whole little collection is called Country Kitchen Collection 1. It's got these great little ephemera pieces, beautiful, friends, whip it good. I love that. Do you remember that song? Whip it good. Homemade with love, family times, from my garden with love. So I'm assuming this is the Cartabella frames and tags. Then it has these letter stickers, really fun, like a yellow ochre color. Then it's got this great collection of papers. Look at, I love this kind of vintage look. Oh, and it's double-sided. And look at, I love this whole scene. I mean, imagine how quick and easy a card would be using this. It's got the whole scene already built in. You can just add a couple of little critters in the foreground or something. I love this paper. Look at these cows. How fun. With little pigs and piglets and chickens and roosters. And there's even a little dog. Oh my gosh, how adorable. This one has all these little emblems, logos, great stripe, the little rooster with the chicks, great polka dot, and then all these cut aparts. So cute. I love the vintage look. More gingham. I love this green, a beautiful rose trio, and then a soft rosy color. Not quite solid. It's got kind of a little bit of a visual texture to it. Super cute. And there's an envelope that comes with that. The next collection is Farmhouse. This is by American Crafts, whereas that first one was Cartabella. So first of all, there's this Barnyard by Avery L. So look at how adorable this little sheep is, the cows, the little chicks. I mean, these chicks are so stinking cute. I love this. You are one of my favorite chicks. Muchas gracias. How's it going? Hey there, holy cow. You are the best. You is the female word for sheep. So I love these punny sentiments. You guys know, if you've been watching my channel, that I love punny cards, funny punny cards. Another collection of sequins, really fun colors. A little bit of black and white baker's twine. Really cute little glittery stickers, farm friends. I love the rooster and the chick and the hen and the chick. This one's looking like she's gonna pick up some feed there. Super, super cute. And I love the sparkle, the little glittery shine and shimmer. And then again, another paper collection. This is single-sided, it looks like, yeah. Beautiful pattern paper, cute little cherries, a little grid, beautiful vintage colored flowers, another beautiful floral pattern, really pretty papers. The next is called Down on the Farm, and this is a doodle bug set. There's a Sunny Studio stamp. It says, "Cow are you? I utterly adore you. I heard it's your birthday." Isn't that so cute? And this little cow stamp set is called Miss Moo. So cute. Another little sequin set. I mean, I think these sequins are great just as little embellishments, but you could also just do like in one fell swoop, a shaker card. It's so like great that it's all done for you. Makes it so easy. Then there are these great little speech bubbles. You quack me up. I mean, these puns are killing me. Best of luck to you. You're extra special. You are my sunshine. Little gingham banner, little heart, so cute. And I love these little stickers. Aren't they adorable? It's got a little hen, a mouse, a goat, a little puppy. Adore that. Little worms, little farmhouse, a red ribbon, so darn cute. And of course the doodlebug paper, which I love. I think their patterns are so stinking cute. These little hens and the little chicks coming out of the eggs and the little tiny chicks here. Beautiful, what is this? Honeycomb kind of, or chicken wire. Beautiful black and gray gingham. More little cut aparts. Love you. Utterly awesome. What else? Oh, I love these little farm animals stacked on top of each other. These are adorable. And I love their patterns. They're just so cute. Great wood plank in a pale green. These are trees with some horses and a little fencing. Adorable. Just a wood grain background. Adorable, adorable little sheep. Oh my gosh, that's precious. Beautiful little sunny flowers. A great little kind of linen pattern green. And then another tone-on-tone green gingham. So darn cute. The next is this super, super cute. This is tiny checks. So, so cute. This is a My Favorite Things paper collection. All these beautiful ginghams. I love using gingham on summertime cards or country cards. So, so pretty. All these beautiful gingham papers. Also another envelope. So each little package comes with an envelope. This has another sequin pack, and this has more of kind of almost like a softened jewel tones. Really pretty. Love these Pebbles accent stickers. So cute. And then this is a Scrapping for Less photopolymer stamp set that I just think is so, so darling. It's called Piggy Picnic. And it's a Scrapping for Less exclusive. And look at how adorable these little piggies are. So cute. And it says, did someone say picnic? Enjoy life. It's delicious. Let's have a picnic. And then a little picnic basket. And then a little check stamp. This is so versatile. And a super cute little sun. Absolutely adorable. And there's even a little bit of yellow gingham ribbon. So cute. This looks like it's the banana split addition to the monthly card kit. So this is, I think, like $5 more or something like that. There's a little candy here, chocolate, my fave. Beautiful burlap ribbon. So great to add texture. Some Nuvo drops. This is orange marmalade. Isn't that awesome? I love that kind of tangerine color. This is a accompanying die. So the die has a rooster, a hen, and a little chick. So cute. And then this beautiful Technique Junkies stamp has faith, family, farming, friends, and a beautiful stamp image of a farmhouse. So beautiful. And then it's got protected by this cardboard. Awesome, awesome, super thick. I mean, this is really a great weight for this cardstock. Also, the white in the paper, the cardstock sampling that you get, the white, I believe, is Nina Solar White, so that's great for Copic coloring and things like that. I mean, I just think this is such a bargain for so much product. I mean, you guys, this is an amazing deal for a really good selection of crafty yumminess. So please, please go check out Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month card kits. See you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.